Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you own a Dyson V8 vacuum and you're looking for a replacement filter, then look no further. This one here is compatible with that Dyson V8, the new version or the Animal Extra. It also can work with the Dyson V7 and some of the newer models there. This is going to be a 2-pack replacement filter that's going to give you 2 of the 2 pre-filters, which are these here. These are going to be the ones that are washable, hence they're very soft here, but you can see that they have the faucet on there, so you can wash these. And it's also going to come with 2 HEPA filters. So this is going to give you the HEPA filters too as well. And then you're also going to get a little cleaning brush. You can go and clean off the hair out of the bristles here with this little blade that's in there. And then you can go ahead and clean some of the dust off too as well. So they throw that in there too. So overall, you have 5 pieces. This is going to be a 2-filter piece set. So when it's time to switch out those filters on that vacuum, on that Dyson, definitely pick up this set here because then it'll get you through probably the year or so with having this 2 set. So I recommend, and again, a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.